Hey guys, Mitchell here. Outsourcing your accounting sounds like a big decision, right? But here's the thing, finding the right solution can completely transform your small business. That's where monthly accounting comes in. So what is it, and how can it help you? Well, let's talk about it. First, let's talk about the options most small businesses turn to. Bookkeeping services handle the basics, recording transactions, reconciling accounts, but that's where they stop. You're still left scrambling for tax prep or advice. Then there are tax services. These focus on just one thing, filing your annual taxes. They're great if your bookkeeping is rock solid, but they're not proactive. They don't look ahead to help you save more or grow smarter. So while both options are fine, they're not complete, and that's where monthly accounting steps in. At Patrick Accounting, we specialize in monthly accounting because it's more than just bookkeeping or tax prep. It's all of that and more, bundled into one seamless service. Here's what's included. Monthly bookkeeping and financial statements, so your numbers are always clean and up to date. Year-round tax planning, projections, and filing, because taxes shouldn't be a once-a-year headache. Payroll support and unlimited advice from a financial expert who knows your business inside and out. It's proactive, it's strategic, and it's designed to help you grow. What's not to love? Here's how monthly accounting makes a difference. Imagine having someone who doesn't just prepare your taxes, but works all year to minimize them. Or an advisor who sees red flags in your expenses and helps you pivot before it's too late. We're not just about numbers. We're about making your numbers work for you. Whether it's cutting unnecessary costs, improving cash flow, or even planning your exit strategy, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Now, I get it. Investing in monthly accounting might seem like a bigger commitment up front, but here's the truth. If you're already paying separately for bookkeeping and tax prep, monthly accounting often saves you money. Plus, it saves you time and stress. Think about it. One team, one solution, one monthly price. No juggling multiple providers, no last-minute scrambling at tax time. Just clarity and peace of mind. So, is monthly accounting right for your business? If you're ready to stop juggling bookkeeping, taxes, and financial advice, and start focusing on growth, let's talk. At Patrick Accounting, we're more than just accountants. We're your partners in success. Let's grow a better business together. Thanks for watching.